Hi, welcome viewer. Today our topic is the world's most famous beautiful girls. All girls are beautiful in their own right. There is no accurate measure of beauty. This list is based on internet polls and searches. The world is filled with all types of beautiful girls. We all know beauty is on the inside, and different people find different things attractive. For some, it's all on the outside, while for others it's something like a sense of humor or a free spirit. Either way, with different countries, comes from different cultures, and that leads to all 100 different kinds of beauty, inside and out. We going to see now top 10 world's most beautiful girls 2020. 10. Bae Suzy. One of the most beautiful South Korean girl, Bae Suzy comes at number 10 in our list. She's an actress and singer and a member of the girl group Misa under JYP Entertainment. 9. Kendall Jenner. Kendall Nicole Jenner is an American model and media personality. Jenner was born to Caitlyn Jenner and Kris Jenner and rose to fame in the reality television show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Jenner began modeling at the age of 14. She is on 9th position in our list of the top 10 most beautiful girls 2020. Kendall Jenner is a model and a member of the famous Kardashian family. So at age 14 she signed up to Wilhelmina Models modeling agency and participated in her first fashion shoot. One of her early modeling campaigns was for Forever 21. Before long she had built a name for herself, modeling for major international designers and featuring in magazine spreads. Also, she has appeared in fashion from top names such as Marc Jacobs, Givenchy, Dolce & Gabbana, and Chanel. 8. Alia Bhatt. A combination of beauty and talent, Alia Bhatt comes at number 8 amongst the world's most beautiful girls. At just 24 now, she has appeared in more than a dozen films. Also, she has won Filmfare Award for Best Actress. In addition to acting, Bhatt has sung 6 of her film songs. Also, she has launched her own line of clothing for women. She also tops the ranking Most Beautiful Indian Women of 2018-19. 7. Kaia Gerber. The stunning daughter of supermodel Cindy Crawford ranked the 7th most beautiful girl in the world. Kaia Gerber was born on September 3, 2001, in Los Angeles, California, US. She is one of the top most beautiful girls in the world right now. Also, Kaia is a model and an actress, known for Sister Cities 2016. 6. Demi Lee Nell Peters. Stylish, beautiful and exceptionally calm, have a beautiful smile. Demi Lee Thibault is a South African actress, model and beauty queen who crowned Miss Universe 2017. She crowns Miss South Africa 2017, and is the second Miss Universe winner from South Africa, following Margaret Gardner who crowned Miss Universe 1978. One of sweetest queen that crown. She proved that age didn't matter as long you have the heart to show the universe, then you can be a queen regardless if you are the youngest among the other queens. She is on 6th position in our list of top 10 most beautiful girls. Funny, beautiful, intelligent and so sweet. So, that's beauty with a purpose. 5. Marina Leswick. In the list of top 10 world's most beautiful girls, 2020 Marina Leswick is at number 5. She is very beautiful and attractive Canadian woman. Marina Leswick is a Canadian model, blogger, photographer, and entrepreneur born on November 1, 1992. Marina was discovered at a casting call when she was just 16 years old. This has led to her opulent modeling career, in which she also participated in Miss USA. Marina was born on the 1st of November 1992 in Toronto, Ontario, and now she is 27 years. So, she is a very beautiful, hot and sexy Canadian model. 4. Barbara Palvin. The 25-year-old Hungarian-born model Barbara Palvin is at number 4 in our list of most beautiful girls in the world. Palvin is heating things up in the fashion world when the Victoria's Secret announced her as the newest addition to the VS Angels lineup, joining the ranks of supermodels like Adriana Lima and Karlie Kloss. She has worked for Victoria's Secret twice before, once in 2018 and once in 2012. And surprisingly, she is the first plus-size Victoria's Secret angel. Born and raised in Hungary, Palvin has been working as a model since she was a teen. She first walked down the runway for Prada in 2010. Since then, she has worked for a number of fashion houses including Louis Vuitton, Miu Miu, and Chanel. In addition to modeling, she had a small role in the 2014 film Hercules. She played Queen Antimache, wife of Eurystheus. 3. Liza Soberano. Liza Soberano is a Filipino-American actress that considered as a third most beautiful girls in the world 2020. She starts her career in a range of TV series and rose to prominence. So after her role in romantic comedy TV series, Forevermore, she is famous for her attractive looks, and she was named 2018's most famous endorser of the year of Campaign Asia magazine. Lisa Soberano also features on Vogue's website where her stylist Perry Tabarrot talks about her fashion choices. 2. Helene Blondeau. Helene Blondeau is named the second most beautiful girl in the world for 2020. She has crowned the title when she was just 6, and now she has won the title again at the age of 17. The gorgeous teen is a model, actress, entrepreneur and fashion designer. So, she is one of the most diverse beauties around the world. Her piercing blue eyes and blonde hair captivated millions of people around the world. She is the daughter of French footballer Patrick Blondeau and actress Veronica Labrie. Helene Blondeau began modeling at the age of just 4. At the age of 10, she became the youngest model ever to pose for Vogue Paris, although the shoot ignited controversy for being involved in what some considered a risque photo shoot at the time. Because she wore short dresses and heavy makeup. Blondeau, in addition, signed with the IMG models when she was 15. She also has modeled for Tommy Hilfiger. Right now she is a brand ambassador for L'Oreal and recently was the face of the Spring/Summer 2018 campaign of French brand Juicy Couture. She now has her own fashion line, Heaven Made, this year. Palvin was ranked 14 on the Money Girls list by Models.com in 2016. 17 on Forbes list of the highest paid models in the world in 2016. In Maxim Hot 100 in 2016. In Tumble's 2017 list of most popular models. Palvin is in a relationship with Dylan Sprouse, an American actor. So, they are two of the world's most genetically blessed individuals. Their love life is also heating things up in the world. 1. Hande Erçel. Hande Erçel is a 26-year-old Turkish actress and she is the world's most beautiful girls in 2020. She is a Turkish TV actress and model. So Hande is also known for her role in Ask Laftan Anlamaz as Hayat Uzun. She is famous worldwide because of her attractive and alluring looks. She is also a designer and model who posed for several agencies. Hande Erçel, born the 24th of November 1993, is a talented and beautiful actress and a model. Young Turkish actress has been active in showbiz since 2013. Erçel is known for her lead role in Ask Laftan Anlamaz 2016-2017 as Hayat Uzun, Sarsılmaz, opposite Burak Deniz as Murat Sarsılmaz, First Love Hande Erçel and Selin Yilmaz, Murtiglu in Gunnison Kizleri 2015-2016. Also, she played the role of Hazal in Sina Insi on Star TV. Also, she appeared in many television commercials of brands available in Turkey. She split up with singer Murat Dalkilek after months of dating. So, in a very short period of time, she has been able to make a name for herself in the entertainment industry. Okay friends, it's our topic today. Let's see another day with nice topics. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.